यार शोर की कमी तो है नहीं यहाँ पे, बट हाय गाइस, आई वांटेड टू कम हियर एंड hi guys, a very happy new year to you from me and my dad's sweater. It's not my dad's sweater, it's a dad's sweater. I don't know whose sweater it is. I just found it and I stole it because it's very comfy and it's very cold. I wanted to come here and wish you guys a very happy new year before I post anything else on this channel, because you guys have honestly really helped me stay sane through this year. I mean it from the bottom of my heart when I say this. But yeah, thank you so much for all your love and all your support. It really means a lot to me. 2020 has been a pretty shitty year. I mean, there is no doubt about that, but it has also really made me realize that there are a lot of choti cheeze which we don't appreciate enough, and this year really helped us appreciate all of that much more. With that said, of course it was very isolating, ghar mein band rehna, but which is why I'm again saying a very big thank you to you, because I could always come back here and blabber and just do random stuff. But yeah, whenever I spoke to my friends or my family, and when I thought about it myself as well, sometimes this negative headspace comes into your head where you start thinking there's nothing to look forward to. Like, a lot of bad kind of thoughts come in your head and you're just like, bro, क्या रखा है, there is nothing to look forward to, क्यों करना है, कुछ भी करना है. There were days when I would just be snuggled up in my bed. I didn't shower for 3 days in a row, but I was like, नहीं यार, ऐसे नहीं करना है. There is this huge planet Earth. उसमें हम ये these tiny ant-sized creatures. How can it be कि there is nothing to look forward to? There's always going to be something to look forward to. Yes, sometimes we will have to force ourselves to get there. Like I also mentioned in my body transformation workout video. So that is something 2020 gave me. I started working out regularly and I started pushing myself towards it, and it was something I started looking forward to, and it was something which was genuinely the highlight of my day. I was feeling like, yes, I'm doing something for myself, I'm improving myself. The physical results that I saw, they were all like a really good motivator to like push me, and it made me feel so much better. So yeah, I wanted to carry that forward into 2021. So my idea, coming to what my idea is for 2021, we all make resolutions, but it's just a list of things, and by the end of the year थोड़ा अचीव होता है, थोड़ा नहीं होता है. I never pushed myself कि नहीं ये करना है, ये अचीव करना है. So this year what I've decided, every month I have decided I'm going to pick up one task or one challenge or one thing that I've always wanted to do but I never went ahead and did it, or something that I was always scared of doing. I'm going to pick that up and I'm going to do it. I'm going to make myself do that one task for that month, and I'm going to announce my new task every month, and I'm going to share my progress on it by the end of the month. And there are 2 reasons why I'm sharing this with you guys beforehand. Number 1 तो ये है कि I don't want it to be कि अच्छा मैंने ये किया and I just share it with you guys. I want it to be something that you and I can start together, maybe, like if you're interested. It could be something completely different that you want to do or you want to achieve. Pick that up every month, and obviously not to say कि एक महीने में we'll become experts at everything and we will like become these amazingly skilled people. Obviously it takes time, but I feel like it'll be something new, something challenging, and it's going to engage our mind. It's going to be hopefully something that we look forward to. Whenever I tell you guys something that I'm going to do this, I always feel very like accountable, and ऐसा नहीं है कि वीडियो में बोल दिया तो करना पड़ेगा. I can always edit that stuff out, but I don't feel like cheating. And मैं आप लोगों को मक्खन नहीं लगा रही हूँ इस चीज़ में. And yeah, it's going to be a fun experience. I'm looking forward to it. Coming to my task for January 2021. I want to learn a new language. I've always wanted to learn Spanish, and I was like, I never did it. So January 2021, I'm going to learn Spanish. And again, like obviously ek mahine mein I'm not going to become a pro, but hopefully by the end of it, if I ever go to Spain, I'll be able to survive there. That's the goal. The bar is set very low. Like currently all I know of Spanish is gracias, uno, dos, tres. I think that's all. So for sure by the end of this month I'm gonna be better than that. I will probably hopefully be able to construct a few sentences, and if I ever get lost and stranded in Spain without a phone and without any English speaking person on this planet, in Spain, I will be able to survive and not starve. And yeah, maybe there'll be a trip to Spain as well. Sending it out to the universe, manifestation. Let's do this. We're gonna get 2021, kick 2020 in the butt. Please do let me know if you guys also join in. Share it in the comment section down below. Maybe create your own YouTube video or share it on Instagram with me. 12 challenges for 2021. Let's do this. And oh, I will show you progress of my marigold plants, bro. Like, I am so stoked. That's another thing which is like, this is very recent. So na garmi mein all the plants kind of, माली भी नहीं आ रहा था, so all the plants kind of started drying out. So मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ कि यार ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, how can we like let our plant babies die. So I started really taking care of them, and now new leaves have started sprouting and the flowers have started coming out and blooming in the winter, and I am just so excited. Now let's go and I will show you my little plant babies. They're all at different stages of growth because chhat wala, I sowed them all at the same time, but chhat wale pe direct sunlight they were getting a lot more, which is why they've grown much quicker compared to the ones which were downstairs. Unme bhi some of them were getting more sun compared to the others, so unme bhi they're like some which have grown quicker than the rest. So just yesterday I brought all of them upstairs because I saw really good progress in the terrace patch. So yeah, let me just show them to you. These are my babies. Like you can see yahan the marigold signature जैसे उनके rugged edges वाले leaves होते हैं, those ones have started coming up. These ones were a little bit in the shade, so they haven't grown as much. But look at this one, man. This is the one which was in the terrace. And you can see, dude, like I was शुरू में I was genuinely like a little confused कि क्या पता ये marigold है भी नहीं, शायद कुछ और है. But these ones are totally like marigold leaves. So yeah, I'm really excited for my babies to grow. Also here are some of my other babies. Ah, so pretty. Less than 2-3 weeks ago this was dry एकदम. There were no leaves left. थोड़ा इसमें दिख रहा है. But yeah, they're all coming back to life.